Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be drawing a tree. Let's get started. Here's some sample drawings I've started already. Our goal today is to draw a tree with a horizon line that appears behind the tree. If you have a sketchbook, 2nd through 5th graders, you're going to notice that we're going to be using a horizontal line, probably some scribble lines. If you want to use these other types of lines, you can, depending on your tree. You might be thinking about doing organic shapes or geometric shapes, depending on the type of tree you want to do. And then if you go over to space, we're going to be looking at the horizon line. So if you look right here on your sketchbook, let me zoom in right here. So you see how this pillar is in front of or blocking this horizon line? That's pretty much what we're going to try to do with our tree today. Let's go ahead and try that out. So in your sketchbook or on your paper, go ahead and find a white sheet of paper. I'll use this one. And you're going to start with a pencil. I like to start with two sort of like a wiggle squiggle type line from here up, but I want it to come in a little bit because I kind of want to create like a shape for my tree, like so. And then I'm going to do another one like this. And if I think it's too skinny, that's okay, because I think I did this wrong. It's too skinny. I'm just going to add in another line here. And I can go ahead and actually add in some more lines and start adding branches coming off. And I'm thinking about the letter Y a lot while I'm doing this, because I can see a lot of letter Y's in my tree. If I want to add more lines down here, I can just keep going. It's really up to you. All trees look different. So everyone's tree in class should also look different as well. Once you're happy with your lines, and I could just keep adding, but once you're happy with them, you're going to grab something with a straight edge. That could be a little ruler, that could be a spare pencil, and you're going to hold that down and draw a line behind your tree. I like to widen my fingers out and press down. I want to make sure my finger is not in the way. Scoot back finger. There we go. One side and the other. Everything above the line is sky, and everything below the line is the ground. Color and decorate your tree however you want. Add animals, creatures, people, objects. It's really up to each artist how you do and finish off your project. Well, I can't wait to see what you are going to make. Till next time, keep being creative.